In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram not showing new or recent comments. First of all, let's go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app. If your app is already up to date, here's what you can do. Open Instagram, go to your profile. In the top right corner, you will see 3 lines. Click on it. Then scroll down below slowly until you find Help. Go to Help. Then click on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without shaking. Then click Include and Continue. Now write, Hello Instagram support team. My Instagram account is not showing recent or new comments. Please fix it as soon as possible. Thanks. Then send it. And with this, your problem will be solved. If you find this helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.